Meaning of hyena.
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 Hyaena. Hyena is an alternative spelling of hyena, a carnivorous mammal found in parts of Africa and Asia. Hyenas are known for their distinctive laugh-like vocalizations and their impressive hunting skills, often taking down prey much larger than themselves. With their powerful jaws, keen eyesight, and acute sense of smell, hyenas are formidable predators. However, they are also known for their scavenging behavior, feeding on the remains of dead animals. Overall, hyenas are fascinating creatures that play an important role in their ecosystem as both predators and scavengers.